So here we go on the road. What about in the sticks? This is with it open, obviously. It's actually like not that bad in here as I thought it was gonna be. I mean, it's still loud, but it's not that bad at all. And that's with the windows down, drive with them up. So here you go. I mean, this is 8th gear, just cruising along. I'm in the regular auto. Put the windows back down. It's definitely loud when you're in it, that's for sure. I have another video of it accelerating from the outside. And that's about all I think you're gonna need. But yeah, I'm glad this is on a switch though. I wouldn't want this all the time. Well, it's kind of cool, you know. Here we go. So that's what you got. I'd say it's pretty loud. I'm gonna close them now. There. So it's definitely something that's a lot better than having something loud all the time, because that could get annoying. Like right now it's like whisper quiet, and until putting this thing on, I didn't realize actually, I guess when you compare the two, how much quieter it is in stock form, even though I thought it was pretty loud. I mean, I guess it still is loud, but all the noise is directed behind you, but it's definitely way louder than stock. A lot of videos are not showing on this truck for whatever. They're not really showing a difference. Like everything kind of sounds the same. The volume doesn't sound much louder on other videos I've seen. I'm gonna have to watch the one from the outside because I don't know what it sounds like yet. I haven't watched it. I just recorded it and then I jumped in and set this camera up to record this. But yeah, it's I guess if you want the best of both worlds, this is what you do. You could, for the days you want to hear it, you can open it up. For times you want to be in the truck, like right now where it's super quiet, and you want to have a conversation like normal, this is perfect setup. You couldn't ask for anything better than that. There's no, putting another exhaust on and then you like regret that you put it on there, but then you spent $2,000 to put it on there, so you leave it because what else are you gonna do with it? Because you know how it is when you try to sell something. Everybody wants to give you a third of the price that you paid for it. So this is way cheaper setup to do, and you can have super loud or super quiet. So I like the setup, and I guess that's all I got to say about that. So if you have any questions, I think the video I did putting it on is pretty detailed enough. But if there's any other questions about it, just don't hesitate to ask in the next time. Talk to you later.